If you're working on sketches for a client and use photo reference to trace from, and your photos don't have enough information to trace from to show the background of an image, or the bottom of the rest of the person, or the top of the store, or the trees and the clouds in the sky, let me show you how AI can help you in Photoshop. Let's start with this photo. I'm going to bring the opacity up to 100%. I'm going to turn off the background so I just have this photo showing. Get the rectangular marquee tool, and I'm going to select the top up here and do a shift and select the bottom. Go to Window, Contextual Taskbar. This taskbar is AI. Click on Generative Fill and then click on Generate. In the Properties panel, you'll notice 3 options are forming. Here's the first option, click on the second option, and here's the third option. It makes a new layer, so you want to right-click and merge that down. Then you can take the opacity down, turn on the background layer, and now you can add to that sketch.